Rated film of all time.
Shrek was sick.
Was comedy genius.
Shrek is a modern-day fairy tale with a twist.
The film took every fairy tale in the book and turned it on its head, poking fun at the genre.
Enough!
Never better illustrated than in this scene, where some familiar faces invade Shrek's swamp.
Oh, no. Get Prod off the table!
Where are you supposed to put it? The bed's taken.
Not early in the movie, I already cared about the character.
And the character we all loved was scene-stealing Donkey, played by our favourite 80s cop, back on hysterical form.
Eddie Murphy is a genius in this film.
Turn this donkey into some kind of like mad African-American street donkey. I'm gonna make some waffles. Do this, let's do that.
Do not want to hear anybody else playing Donkey.
It was so Eddie Murphy, it was like literally Eddie Murphy stand-up but in a donkey.
Your information.
With Mike Myers providing the ultimate comedy foil in scenes like this, where Shrek's frustration is perfectly balanced by Donkey's childlike enthusiasm, it's laugh-out-loud funny.
Burgers are like onions.
They stink?
Yes. No.
Oh, they make you cry?
No.
Oh, you leave them out in the sun, they get all brown, start sprouting little white hairs.
No. Layers. Onions have layers. Ogres have layers. Onions have layers. You get it. We both have layers.
Cake have layers. Cakes have layers. Why do you make cake?
Must have had so much fun making that movie.
Yeah, you can imagine that there was a lot of laughter during the making of it.
Indeed there was. Even